Very good morning. You are watching morning news on the Power News 24. Let's start off with a look at your headlines morning. Inside story of Navy's rescue operations, teams departing towards P305 in 1 hour, saving 188 lives amid winds and high waves of 100 km/h. Confirmation of death of 26 people trapped in Taute. Navy says INS Kochi returned to Mumbai coast by rescuing 188 people from bus P305. Search continues for 59 people. New guideline of COVID vaccinations. Vaccine will take 3 months after recovering from corona. Feeding mother can also be vaccinated. The government has approved the new recommendation for the National Expert Group on Vaccination Administration for COVID regarding vaccination. Restrictions will continue in Rajasthan. Gehlot government extended sections 144 till June 21st, prohibiting the gathering of people in public places. Given the corona restrictions in Rajasthan will continue even further, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Wednesday decided to extend the term of section 144 in all the districts till June 21st. The first time in the history of Chhattisgarh, no failure in 10th board exam result. Result released without written examination. 97% children first division. SEBI's big action. Seren India fined 5.25 crore penalty of 45 lakh on 3 people. Stock market boom. Sensex fall down 50,000 below. Nifty managed to stay above 15,000. The BSE Sensex fell 290 points or 0.058% to close at 49,902.64 points, while the NSE Nifty fell 77.95 points or 0.52% to 15,300.15 points. State of Gujarat suffered 45 deaths, 17,000 houses due to the storm, 2 lakh trees and hundreds of electric poles fell. American scientist claims if you want to relieve depression, then take a bath with warm water. It improves the mood and also prevents the side effect of medicines. Please Great Heart donate 6.77 lakh rupee for treatment of former female cricketer Srivanti's mother. Srivanti's parents are in ICU due to corona. Focus on implementing features. Government bank should implement the announced measures quickly. The order of the governor of the Reserve Bank. Fungus epidemic declared in Rajasthan. On the line of Haryana, the government Gehlot notified the disease. Now every case and death record will be kept. Vaccine to all adults in the country. 18 crore vaccines were launched in 4 months. Now claim to invest 249 crore in the next 7 months. Effect of Taute in Rajasthan. A period of rain that lasted for more than 14 hours in many districts of Jaipur Bharatpur division. Due to this, the day and night temperatures in Alwar have a difference only of 0.3, and many of the cities you can see on the screen temperature. Village of Uttar Pradesh in panic, feeling fever, shortness of breath, and extinguishes in 1-2 days. 145 death in 30 days in 6 villages. Mission for everyone's vaccination in 60 days in Mumbai. BMC launches global tender for vaccination. Decided to import 10 million vaccines. China Sinopharm approved by WHO, but are indigenous vaccinations Covaxin better than that? Former Energy Chief J.K. Dutt, who had led the operation during the tornado attack in the Mumbai, was infected with corona, is no longer. Unlock in MP from June 1st. In the crisis management meeting, CM Shivraj said start from Ujjain division also prepared for the third wave. News from Google Friends. Preview beta version released for Android 12. User safety and many changes in map. Check on which phone you will get the update. Demand for Samsung tablet increased. In the first quarter of 2021, Apple was ranked number 1, but now the Apple got the third position. Privacy dispute. The government said WhatsApp privacy policy of WhatsApp takes 7-day notice. In Corona world, 6.08 lakh cases, 13,000 plus death on the previous day. US Health Agency said American vaccines is effective on the variant found in India. Now in 4 countries, we are standing on 4th position. Good news for job seekers. Government jobs announced by DFCCIL. Recruitment for various posts includes 1,074 posts. Another job by NTPC has issued a notification for the recruitment of 280 posts of executive engineer trainees. Applications start from 21st May to 10 June.